My DeWalt DCC s670 is not oiling the bar at all. How can I fix it?
When did you last clean or perform maintenance on your DeWalt tool or machine? How old is it?
It's about a year old and it was cleaned up when it was put away at the beginning of summer.
How long has this been going on with your DeWalt? What have you tried so far?
Well, I haven't tried anything so far. I just noticed that it wasn't oiling when I went to use it and the chain overheated and it wouldn't cut.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No, other than the oiler not working, everything's in perfect shape.
Hi, my name is Me. Review the issue, and I will be more than happy to help resolve it as quickly as possible. I will return in under 5 minutes. If the bar is not being oiled, there is most likely a clog in the oiler hose that needs to be cleaned out, as this is a common issue.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.